Imagine a rainbow oil slick on asphalt on a rainy day. That rainbow color represents the dyes used in cereals, candies, and other foods that you and your kids eat is made from petroleum. Dyes and products made from petroleum animals presents us with serious health and sustainability issues. Spira grows algae to create sustainable and healthy industrial chemicals as a carbon-negative replacement for petroleum products. Hi, I'm Surgeon Singh, and I'm excited to share with you what Spira has been working towards. The demand for solutions to this problem within the food industry is so large that not even the pandemic could stop our growth. We've reached profitability in 2020 by selling primarily to US-based beverage companies. Spira's ingredients are now in products in over 700 retail locations around the country. And this is just the beginning. Spira is developing algae as a platform for the manufacturing of everything from plastics and clothes to medicines, you name it. But back to food. Beyond colors, one of the biggest questions we as a team have encountered is how do we properly feed a future growing population? For Spira, the answer is simple: algae. We've developed technology that can help us grow our algal strands faster, better, and easier, using the increased CO2 in the atmosphere as an advantage. Why should NASA take note? NASA astronauts are currently bringing all the food that they need to survive with them from the Earth. Their air purification processes are energy intensive and produce hazardous chemicals. Spira's algae-based solutions for both CO2 removal and food production drastically reduce power consumption and launch mass for long-duration NASA missions. And we know Spira is the company to make that happen. One of the mistakes we've seen in the algae industry is overcomplicating the scaling process. Spira solves this by partnering with a network of trusted global contract farmers that specialize in growing and harvesting various algal species, allowing us to decrease our capex to nearly zero whenever we need to scale, and allowing us to work with the farms to utilize our expertise in cultivation and genetic engineering to diversify potential species, develop new products, and maximize yields. Our lean but powerful team has experience in starting and growing companies, raising funding, working at major food companies, and we have a PhD in biological systems engineering with a specific focus in algae. Spira is currently a post-revenue company and has been backed by both private investment and grants such as an NSF SBIR. We are currently raising a $2 million seed round with nearly almost half committed. We plan to use this funding to expand our sales efforts, to increase our revenue, and invest heavily in R&D to service the 70+ LOIs we currently have, speed up our ability to bring products to market, and apply the CO2 capture optimization process to our supply chain to increase yields. Our next step is to expand our applications to confections, characterize our waste protein to a viable protein alternative, and scale our US-based extraction operations. We are seeking customers, partners, and investors interested in the future of food and manufacturing here on Earth and in space. If you're interested in chatting with the team, I invite you to please reach out to talk. Thank you.